Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a delightful treat, coconut idli. It is so yummy and healthy. Let's start. Take one coconut and cut it into small pieces. Now add a little water and blend the coconut pieces into a paste using a mixer. Pour the coconut paste into a mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of semolina or suji. Add a teaspoon of baking soda. And salt for your taste. Add water to the mixture and mix well until a batter forms. The batter should be thick, similar to idli batter. Cover the batter and let it rest for 2 hours. Heat some water in a rice cooker. Take an idli flame, wash it and place some idli batter into each mold. Place the idli flame in the rice cooker. Cover it and let the idli steam for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the cover and check the idlis using a knife or spoon, like this. Carefully remove the idlis from the flame. And there you have it, delicious coconut idlis. Serve them with your favorite chutney and enjoy, friends. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, do subscribe for more delicious updates. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating. Bye. Thank you.